Okay, so I just installed GitHub CoPilot. This thing can center a div. Like it can write CSS. Like check this out. Label blue large. Like I mean, Tailwind does that for me, but like it can do label inline. This is neat. Like it centered a div for me. I just show you how this works. I just started typing that and it was like filled that out. So that's great. What else did I do? I loaded this up and I started here with JavaScript where I was like parse CSV to array. Like things like this. Where it's definitely like that looks pretty good. In terms of writing like a utility function. There's a lot, presumably this is going to work better with JavaScript, but what's neat here is you just start typing what it should do. Download CSV from URL maybe, because look, that was doing a DOM query. So it starts doing these and like, so this is neat that this is fairly valid JavaScript up to here, and I probably could have written parse CSV data maybe. Yeah, see that's the thing, is like sometimes it just tries to use some random, like D3 is a thing. But there's a way here where we can like choose. Yeah, it's Control Enter, where we can see all the solutions. And like the more you type into here, parse CSV to JSON with headers maybe. Maybe I have to close this. Yeah, like that starts to look more like code. So I kind of like that this is going to encourage me to write small chunks. It's neat that you can see all of those solutions. I also started like a WordPress function and I was like, this is a PHP file, and I was like, add users to WordPress. Like this just isn't getting me suggestions. And even that kind of stuff. Parse JSON, download CSV to, yeah, I can't get it to do that. But this SQL here, which is, like this is a correct MySQL statement. I wrote this like here, like this, and it just made this like, I guess it's going to start suggesting some SQL here. Ready for old posts with no comments. Well, it was doing it a minute ago. No comment. Let's see if we can get. The autocomplete is not, it's hard to get the thing to pop up. But like, look here, it actually started thinking, like some of these are decent SQL queries I could plug into WPDB, but like this isn't the correct thing to do. But in terms of the query arguments, but it actually said like, no, use the higher level API. That's neat. Like this is good, decent stuff. It's not gonna write my code for me, just but like that's neat. That it's even jumping. It knows contextually, figured out somehow. Well, I guess it knows because this is a WordPress site here. that I'm doing this in, maybe. It knows to do WordPressy stuff. Or because it's in my GitHub. I don't know. But like it also, I can't get it to like add a hook or something. Like this is neat. Like that this knows to fill this in. Like that. Figured out what the type of post type was, great for anyway, I think that's pretty neat. I don't think this is going to put me out of business anytime soon, but I think it really helps speed up my work. Doesn't tell you what to do, but it does a good job of helping you get to what you're supposed to.